So today we're going to get this engine stripped down, get the cylinder head off. I can already tell you that these two dome nuts don't belong there, they belong there and there. Yeah. I've not had this engine apart before, so hopefully no surprises, but let's get into it. I think we'll start off with the cylinder head. No, gonna have to do it manually. That's actually a pretty decent head. Oh, we'll start out with that one, lovely. Here we go. Christ. Let's have a look at this barrel. Oh, it's actually pretty nice. No marks. I haven't actually emptied the gearbox oil yet, so I should probably do that. Oh, we've got some carbon fibre reeds. There we go. What I mean. Here we go. Lovely. Okay, clutch. That came undone too easy. No washers on it. There's a washer underneath. I'll start stripping that down what I can of the gearbox. Well, say the gearbox of this end. Important washer. Another washer there, yeah. If I can get to it. That came out very easily. New bearing going in. Actually, now that that bearing is out, the old one, I just have a, oh yeah. Yeah, you probably can't hear that on the mic, but it is a little bit noisy. Okay, right, that's both of them out. Now I need to install the new seal first, which, brand new seal. All right, bit of rubber grease. Put that around there. Put some of that around the inside. Yeah. Hopefully, it doesn't require too much. It shouldn't require too much. It should just push in, really. Yeah, that's up against where it needs to be, I think. New bearing. Yeah, I think we're good. So, this is how she's looking. And I'll be back in a few days.